Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. Is my voice clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you see the screen, please?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Till now, we learned about 11 letters. Today, we are going to add 4 more letters. With this, we will reach to 15 letters. Total letters in Arabic language, 28 or 29. That means 50% of the letters will be completed by today's class. So those who are attending since beginning, they can repeat. I'm giving them again the revision, few minutes, and those who joined newly, they have to they have to study the old class videos, which are already posted in the group. For your convenient, again after the class, the coordinators will post again. So the letters, starting from the first letter: alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za. Until this one we learned till the yesterday. Again I repeat: alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za. Yes, Bharat, can you repeat?
Yes.
Yeah.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Small correction. When you say the first letter, this one is alif, E-A-L-I-F. There is no prolongation. If you say
Alif.
alif, it is little bit correction required here. Alif
Alif.
is correct. Yeah.
Alif.
Yeah. Excellent. Thank you. Ishwar.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, ka, dal, jal, ra, ja,
Z-A. Za.
ja.
Okay. Here, this has to be pronounced heavily. Kha.
Ka,
Kha.
ka.
Ka is not correct. Ka is not correct. This is kha. I cannot
Ha.
write in English or Telugu. This one is little bit. See if something struck up in your mouth, how you will take out this sound. It has to come from there. The last part of the throat. Ha. Heavy
Ha.
sound. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Anyone want to read? Please open the mic and read.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Yes, brother.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra.
Za.
The
Za.
last. Za. Yes. This one is not kha. This is kha. Kha.
Kha.
Like this. Kha. Yeah.
Kha.
Kha is KHA kha. It is not correct. Ka kha, if you know Telugu or Hindi, kha is not correct. This is kha. Kha.
Kha.
Yeah.
Kha. Okay.
Akh means brother. The one which I
Yes.
posted.
Yes.
Akh is kha. It's coming from kha.
Okay.
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 Yes, Rakesh.
Yes, sir. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, ka, dal, zal, ra, za.
Okay. Can anyone find out the mistake? He mispronounced one letter.
Kha.
Yes. This letter is not ka. This is kha. This is a heavy
Kha.
letter. Total 7 heavy letters are there in Arabic. Out of 7, this is one of them. It has to be pronounced heavy. When you pronounce it, you have to open the mouth up and down, not like smiling face. Ha. If you say ha, ha, this is a smiling face. Ha is heavy. Ha. Yeah. Excellent job, brother. Thank you. Next, please open the mic and read. Next. Yeah.
Salam. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Excellent. Next.
Hi, good evening. Uday
Yeah.
here.
Good evening.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, ja.
Not ja,
Ja,
ZW.
ja,
Za. Like pizza.
ja.
How you say pizza? The last
Yeah,
pronunciation is the name of this letter. Za.
za.
Yeah, that's right. Next. Next.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Yes, brother.
Yes. Alif, alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Okay. Now we discussed in the previous classes, we have few letters in Arabic which don't connect the following letter in the word. So it connects the preceding letter, but it never connects the following letter. Till yesterday, we studied 5 such letters. Can someone say which are these letters? Anyone say about it? Which are the 5 letters which never connects the following letter but connects the preceding letter? Yes.
Alif,
Alif,
Jal, Dal,
Yeah.
Jal,
ra, ra, za.
Oh.
Ra,
Alif.
Ja,
Yeah. Alif.
Alif,
Dal.
Dal,
Dal, zal,
Za.
Zal,
Ra.
Ra,
za.
Za.
Ja.
Excellent, brother. These 5 letters, they never connects the following letter in the word. They connects the preceding letter, but never connects the following letter. Okay. Let's move to the today's class. Now it's almost 5 minutes we spent on this. Today's letter, we have 4 letters. Seen, Sheen, Sod, Dod. Seen, Sheen, Sod, Dod. Seen, it can be written in the English. I will write it here. This one is seen. This is the letter seen. This can also be written. It is Sheen. Shen. These 2 letters, it can be written in English. This is Scen, seen. I have seen this one. I have seen that one. So seen in English is exactly the same pronunciation of Sen. The letter name is seen. Second letter is Sheen, Shen, Sheen. This one, it is nearby Saad, but it's not exact Saad because this is a heavy letter, Saad. Still, I will write it for your understanding. So this is near to this sound, Saad, Saad, but S should be heavy, not not light. If it is light, like seen, is light letter, but here this one is a heavy letter. Saad, this has to be pronounced heavily. This one is near to the name of Dad, Dal, in pronunciation, Da, but the name is different. Dad. It can be written as Dad, Dad. Dad is not correct. Dod. Da. It is you have to take it as a damam. Da. Dod. Dod. This is nearby. This also nearby, not exact. But seen and sheen, these are exact. So we have 4 letters today. Seen, sheen, sod, dod. Again, seen, sheen, sod, dod. Seen, sheen, sod, dod. These are the 4 letters we will study today. And here, if you see, the seen and sheen both are identical. Both are looking exactly same. Seen and sheen. Here it is having 3 curves. Here also it is having 3 curves. Then it is a big curve. Also it is a big curve. For these 4 letters, let us understand. Let us agree that these letters are having 2 parts: the first part and the second part. If the head is as the first part, this one is the face of the letter. If you see this one, you can recognize this is the letter seen. Even you don't see the later part, because this later part, the second part, is common in all 4 letters. Here, if you see, it's a big curve. Here also big curve. Here and here. All 4 has the second part as a common. But the first part is different. This one is 3 curves, small curves. But here the same thing is repeated, but additional is 3 dots. Here it is 3 dots. In this whole letters, all in Arabic letters, only 2 letters have 3 dots. One is Tha, one is Sheen. The difference is this one is a plain letter. This one is having little bit curves, 2 curves, bumps, like bumps. So Seen, Sheen. The difference, it has no dots. It has 3 dots, not 1 dot. 3 dots above the letter. The origin of seen is exactly from the letter za. Yesterday we studied za. The seen also, the articulation point of the seen also exactly from the same place of za. So the tip of the tongue must touch backside of the front teeth, top front teeth. From here the sound should come. Za, seen, seen, za, seen. And sod, this also. Za, seen, sod. The articulation point is exactly same point. The tip of the tongue should touch backside of the top front teeth. Here, somewhere here. So, za, seen, sod. The same origin. Sheen, this is one of the complete letter. Like before we studied Jim. When you say Jim, you have to bulge. You have to make the tongue, the top middle part of the tongue has to touch to the roof of the mouth. Jim, sheen, Jim, sheen. These two gives the complete sound. All the letters have not that much complete sound, but these 3 letters, the sound is very much complete sound. It comes from our mouth. Jim, it's a complete sound. Sheen, this also complete sound. So the origin is middle of the tongue has to touch the roof of the mouth. From this point, this sound has to come out. Sheen. So the last letter for today's class is Dod. This is one of the very special letter in Arabic. The language of Arabic sometimes known as the language of Dod. Lughatul Dod. Dod means this is a specific sound, particularly in Arabic language. The left side of the tongue or right side of the tongue. The left side, if it touches the upper rear teeth, or right side of the tongue touches upper rear teeth, from that point this sound has to come. This is little bit difficult to get exact sound, but as a non-Arabs, we try to take the sound as near as possible. That's why I write it as a dod. D-double-A-D, dod. It is not da, it is da. Dod, the heavy sound. So in today's lesson, we have 2 heavy letters, sod, dod. These 2 are the heavy letters. In previous lessons, we learned ha is the heavy letter. So till now, we learned 3 letters, ha, Sod, Dod. These are the three heavy letters till now. Here, let me take, please don't draw anything, please. Ha, Sod, Dod. These are the three heavy letters. The remaining, except Ra, the remaining letters are light letters. So when you are saying, you have to open the mouth as a horizontal, like smiling face. But these three letters, you have to open the mouth vertically. If you say Ba, this is a, I open the smiling face. If I have to pronounce it as a heavy Ba, I open the mouth as a vertical Ba. This is not correct. The horizontal opening is correct. Ba. The mouth has, we have to open the mouth horizontally, like a smiling face. Ba. This is the correct way. So this is the information about the four letters today. Now let us see how to write these four letters. Yeah. Scene, when you are writing the scene, it has to be started from this point. As I mentioned earlier in my previous classes, the Arabic language moves from right to left. Unlike Telugu and English and other languages, most of the other languages from left to right. So we start from the right, from this point, one, this curve, and this curve. These are the three curves. Then a big curve. So the big curve, it has to come down little bit below the line. Like 80% is above the line, just 20% is below the line. If you see here, carefully observe this one. These two points are near each other. These two are little bit far away. So if you can manage this one when you are writing by hand, that is very good. If you cannot do this one, that's also okay. If you make three equal distance, that also okay. It's not the any big mistake. But as a beauty of the letter, if you take the first two nearby each other, the two curves, and the third one little bit far away, that is the beauty of this letter. So how to write it? From here, the small curve, then a big curve. This curve is nearby equivalent to the curve of Ba, Ta, Sa. So here, when it is coming as the first letter, you see here, this curve, the small curve, not individual, the small curve. This small curve, 1, 2, then 3. Similar, it's not a curve, it is a small line. It's as we discussed earlier, this is about 1/4 of the alif. Alif is a big line, big straight line. This one is a small straight line, small, only just you have to elevate here, that's all. So the similar thing here, for scene, you have to take three elevations, like small line, then coming, and this one. These are the three curves. Then a big curve. This is a big curve. So this is the first part of the letter, and this is the second part of the letter. Second part is like just like a moon, the shape of full moon. You can say moon. Yeah, it's not full moon. It's a almost full moon. So this is the shape of the letter when when it comes as a individual letter. So now if you see this one, when it is the first letter of the word, when seen is coming as the first letter of the word, instead of going down, this curve is flat. This one, this is the first one, second one, then instead of going down, it is connecting with the following letter on the same line, the reference line, the same line. It's not going down. Here it is going down, but here it's not going down. It's passing through the same line. It's straight line. So this is the difference between the individual shape and the first letter. So for identification, what is the phase of the letter seen? As we know, each person can be identified by seeing his face clearly. So the phase of the scene is the first part of the letter. This part of the letter is the face of the scene, not the second part. Second part changes when it is coming as the first letter of the word. But when it is also, the second important point is it is connecting the following letter. Here this is the following letter. It is connecting it. It's not eliminate. It's not keeping the distance like alif, dal, dal, ra, za. That 5 letters not connecting the following letters. But here this one is connecting the following letter. When it is coming in the middle, as it is a second letter or third letter or any position in the middle place, it is connecting the preceding letter as well as it is connecting the following letter. Here if you see, this is connected here. Here it is connected. Just imagine there is a letter here, also letter here. So it is connecting in both ways, preceding letter as well as the following letter. When it is coming as the last letter of the word, then it is exactly the same shape of the individual letter, like how it appears. Exactly it appears as the last letter. So like previous letters, some of the previous letters, the individual position, alone position, standalone position, and the last letter position, both are identical. The first letter of the word and the middle letter of the word, the shape is identical. Any doubts here? Any question? Okay. Let me see these words here. Somebody draw here. Clear it. Here if you see, seen, jeem, dal, 3 letters. Seen, how it appears, the two dots, the lines are nearby each other. The third one is little bit far away. If you see this length, this one is a bigger one, this curve. Here it is just a small curve, small boundary, only small, like a pitwall, very small. Seen is, it stretches to meet the letter Jim. It's not going down. The curve, the second part is disappeared. It is stretching forward to meet Jim. Here it is the Jim. Here if it is having a small line, then it might have become the Ba, like this one. But here it is a diagonally 45 degrees. You see here, there is a diagonal line. It's not a straight line of small straight line. This one is a Jim. This one is Dal. How to write Dal? One dot above, one dot exactly below, one dot little bit behind. Then join these two, then write this one. So this we discussed yesterday. Seen, Jim, Dal. Here, Ba, Seen, Meme. This letter we did not study it. We are going to study in the coming classes. Ra, Jim, Seen. Ra, Jim, Seen. Seen, Ba, Ta. Seen, Ba, Ta. Ba, Seen, Dal. Ba, Seen, Dal. If you see comparatively, the curve of the Ba is little bit bigger than the curves of Seen. It means it is just elevated from the straight line. Nothing more than that one. Ba is little bit bigger one if you compare these two. Dal, ba, seen. Dal, ba, seen. Here, seen, ha, ra. Seen, ha, ra. Ra, seen, dal. Ra, seen, dal. Alif, ba, seen. You can say Hamza also. Hamza, ba, seen. These are the words which is as example to see how it appears in the word in real words. Let me move to the next letter. This is Sheen. The shape exactly like Seen, only the difference is addition to the shape, it has 3 dots above it. So these 3 dots make differentiate from the letter Seen. And from the letter Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, it differentiate with the curves of these 3 curves. So to It is when you are comparing with the sin, it has 3 dots. When you are comparing with the sa, it has 3 curves. This is the difference. And like sin, exactly it is having the similar shapes as a standalone and the last letter identical shape, as the first letter and the middle letter identical shape. So I don't think to repeat this one, as we discussed in detail about the scene. Exactly it is repeated in the sheen. So the words here, sheen, jeem, ra, sheen, jeem, ra, sheen, jeem, ra, ba, sheen, ra, ba, sheen, ra. Here also you can see the curve of ba is little bit high, bigger, a little bit long. Here it is very just short curves. These three curves are very short. Kha, ra, sheen. Kha, ra, sheen. Sheen, ba, alif, ba. Sheen, ba, alif, ba. Sa, sheen, jeem. Sa, sheen, jeem. Sa, sheen, jeem. Here you see 3 dots, here also 3 dots. What's the difference? Here it's only one line, one small line, but here it is a 3 lines. So this one is the face of the letter Sa. This one is the face of the letter Sheen. It's not only 3 dots, it need 3 curves also. Okay, this difference please note down carefully. So it may confuse you because 3 dots and 3 dots. So if it is only single line, small single line, it is sa. If it is having 3 lines, this is a sheen. Usually you see the company name Sharika. Sharika, the company, the name of the company, if it is it is started like Sharikat Ittasalat, Sharikat Mobile. Sharika means the first letter of the company name Sharika in the word Sharika is Sheen. This is the letter. It's the company name. The Sharika name start with the word Sharika start with the letter Sheen. This is the letter, exactly same letter. Here it is ba sa sheen. Ba sa sheen. Ba sa sheen. I think I missed to read this one. Sa sheen jim. Sa sheen jim. Sa sheen jim. Ba sa sheen. Ba sa sheen. Ba sa sheen. Sha ra ba. Sha ra ba. Sha ra ba. Like a famous word in the Urdu and you know very well, sharab. Sharab is a wine. This one comes from these letters. Sha, ra, here alif addition is required. Sharab, sha, ra, ba. Similarly, sharika, sheen, ra, there is another letter. Another 2 letters we'll study in the coming classes. Sharika, it has 2 letters here, sheen and ra. We need 2 more letters that we'll study in the coming classes. Here it is Shukran. Shukran also coming with the sheen. Sheen. Next, there is another letter which we did not study. Then Ra will come. Shukran. Here it is Ra, Sheen, Dal. Ra, Sheen, Dal. If if you have any colleague, Rashid, this is the similar letters, almost same letters. Addition to this one, there will be a alif. Ra, alif, sheen, dal. That is Rashid. If you know any Saudi name or Indian name, anyone, it's a common name. Rashid is written as Ra, then alif, then sheen, then dal. Now alif is not there, so Ra, sheen, and dal. Ra, Jim, sheen. Ra, Jim, sheen. Ra, Jim, sheen. So these are the words with the sheen. Let us go to next letter, Sad. Sad, the first part is different, but the second part is the same as seen and sheen. Here, the first part is, it is just like, the wrapping gift. When you make the wrapping gift, you make a small knot on that one. It looks like that one, like a wrapping gift knot. Just take from this point. Instead of taking from this point, to write the letter Saad, you have to start from the middle. Take a round like a balloon, or from then go down. So start from this point, then continue, then coming to here, then going down. So this is Saad. Similar to seen and sheen, when it is coming as the first letter and the middle letter, instead of going down, this curve stretches along with the line and joins the following letter. So here you have to start from here, continue. This one, don't forget, this has to be there. This small tip, it has to be there. This one must be there. So you start from here, continue, then you elevate here, then join the following letter. So this is Saad. This also connects the preceding letter as well as the following letter. And when it is coming the last letter, it is exactly same as the shape of standalone letter. So here, all these four letters which we are studying today, the middle letter, the first position and the middle position is same, and the individual standalone position and the last letter, it is the exactly same. So the words here, subah, Saad, ba, ha, sabah al khair. When you listen in the morning, some people say in the office, sabah al khair. Sabah means morning. Good morning is exactly same as the sabah al khair. So that is coming from the letter Saad. Saad, ba, ha. Saad, ba, ha. Saad, ba, ha. Kha, Saad, Mim. This is a discount, khasam. When you see in the advertisement of the shopping malls and other places, khasam, it is written as khasam 15%, 30%, 50% sometimes 70%. This is exactly same word. Kha, Saad, Mim. Kha, Saad, Mim. This letter we did not study. We are going to study in the coming classes. Kha, Alif, Saad. Kha, Alif, Saad. Kha, Alif, Saad. So here it is the first position, it is the middle position, it is the last position. Saad, Dal, Qaf. This also we did not study. We are going to study in the future classes. Saad, Dal, Qaf. Ra, Saad, Ya. This is not studied. It comes in the coming class. Dal, Ra, Saad, Dal. Kha, this one, Mim. This is Saad. This also will come in the future class. Kha, Saad. Saad, Dal, Ra. Saad, Dal, Ra. Ba, Saad, Mim. Ba, Saad, Ra. So these are the different position where Saad is coming as the first letter, middle letter, and the last letter. So Dad is exactly in the writing like Saad. Only
Sir, I
yes,
have one question.
yes, please. Yes,
I think
please.
some issue with my internet. So when to use seen and when to use sad? Though both are pronouncing like sa, right?
The scene is light sound, Saad is a heavy sound. Both has the different meaning when it is coming as the in the word. So like Saif is different. Saif is different. Saif is the winter. Saif is the sword. So these the letter, both letter are not same. Both are different letters. So with this different words will come. When it
So
has
for
to use
example, in my name, Subhan, my name, okay? For Subhan, I use sad or seen.
a scene.
Okay, so when there is a stress, I need to take sad.
Yeah, and the heavy letter is Saad.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Okay. Dod is exactly written as the Sod, but here there is a dot above it. This is the identification of the Sod, different than the Dod. So the phase of this letter is exactly like this point, the first part. So how to write it? You start from the middle, then make a balloon like shape, and the second part is a curve. So then you put the dot on this one. When it is written as the first letter, start from here, take this one and proceed. It's also joining the following letter. Here, when it comes as the middle letter, it joins the preceding letter as well as it joins the following letter. When it's coming in the last letter, it joins the preceding letter. Similarly, like seen, sheen, sod, this letter also, when it is a standalone position and the last position, exactly same. When it is a first letter, first position and the middle position, the shape is same. Like here it is dod, ba, ha, mim, dod, ra, ba, jim, dod, dod, ra, ra, sin, dod, kha, ha, ya, dod, dod, ra, ba, kha, dod, alif, ra, ta, ya, alif, dod. So these are the different words with the dot in the different positions. So we have some words which is coming from here. Daraba. This is daraba. It is he struck or he hit. This is the word shariba. He drank. Shariba moya. Shariba shai. Shariba Pepsi. He drank water. He drank coffee. He drank Pepsi. Like this. Sajid. Sajid is one of the name. Uh, the different people have this name. Many people have this name. Sajid. This is Sin, Alif, Jim, and Dal. I think the print may be a little bit blurred. I will take another file to show you the clear picture. So coming back to our these letters. So we have up to now we've completed 15 letters. If you count from here, it's reaching to the 15 letters. So all these 15 letters have some features like 3 letters are heavy, ha, sad, dad, and 5 letters never connects the following letter, alif, dal, dal, ra, za. Total 6 letters. From here till now, 5 letters we studied. These 3 letters have the exactly same shape whenever it is coming as a standalone, or the first letter or the middle letter or the last letter. These 3 letters have the same shape exactly like ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, ha. Jim, ha, ha. It is also not changing the shape when it is coming as a standalone or middle or the first letter or the middle or the last. The difference between these three is the dot below the dot and no dot. Here it is above the dot. These 4 letters, alif, dal, dal, ra, za, when it is coming in different positions in the word, they have a peculiar characteristic we discussed yesterday. What is that one? They are rigid. They are rigid. They don't change the shape. Like ba, when it is individual, it is like this. When it is coming as the first letter, it is losing the some part of it. It changes the shape. Similarly, all other letters are changing the shape, but alif never changes the shape uh, in any position. Similarly, these 4 letters, dal, zal, ra, za, these 4 letters also never changes the position. So this is a lesson which we studied till now. So these are the 4 letters never changes the position. And seen, sheen, saw, dot. Here we are taking for our convenience the letter has two parts, the first part and the second part. The first part is changing in these four letters, but the second part is common even in any position. The second part is not changing it. All four has the common second part, but the first part is specific for each letter. So, any questions?
When these four letters comes in the middle, it lose the second part. But
Second
the
part
first
is,
part
yeah,
remains same.
the second part is stretching along the line. It's not going down. It's continuing with the same line. First part is same.
I mean to say, sorry, if it is coming in the middle of the word,
Mhm.
then it will lose the second part. Am I right?
Yes.
If you write
Middle is
this in the
the
middle,
first position. First position or middle position.
oh yeah, first or middle, yeah.
Mhm.
Hmm.
As the
And
last
it touch
letter,
both preceding and the following letter,
yeah,
like any other letter.
yes, it connects in both.
Yeah, I'm just noting down.
Yeah,
Sorry, thank you.
welcome. Let me take the last part of this class. Yeah, this is the Arabic keyboard. I will change the screen, just a minute. Yeah, the screen changed now. Now let us play for some time. Today's letters, seen. If I have to join another letter, see how it is changing the shape. This is the scene. Okay. The second part, just observe the second part, how it changes. You got it? The screen changed or not?
Yeah, it is
Change.
changed. Yeah,
Yes.
it is changed, sir.
Okay.
You just tried to put a space there, right?
Yeah, I just put the space here to add another letter, or I will add the letter here. This is the ba.
Okay.
If you write seen and sheen both together, how it looks like?
This
Seen
is
and sheen.
exact.
Okay.
I will
Okay.
I
Okay.
will give one space here to understand. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Tell me any three letters. Let us try.
Seen, saw, dod. And sheen. Can you write? Can you just repeat with sheen then after the dot?
Yeah.
Okay. Seen, sheen. Yeah, that's fine. Understood. Understood.
Okay. To make it more clear, I'm adding the spaces here. You see, Saad, it has a little bit elevated part here, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
After this balloon shape, there is a little bit elevated part. This you don't forget. You should have this one. Like,
But you know, when you give the space, that looks like, I mean, at least to me, it is looking like some word. So I'm a bit, probably it will come over practice.
uh, you mean without space, you will easily get it?
Yeah, without space, I can probably follow it easily.
Okay.
Then, I mean, it is just my observation.
Okay. I'm saying here, seen, sheen, Saad, dot.
Yeah, this is a bit okay because when you are giving the space, right, it's very hard for me to see whether it is a space or some other word.
Okay. Um, as I mentioned, Arabic has single letter word, two letter words, three letter words. Three letter word is a common thing, but more than three or less than three, they are comparatively less words in Arabic. So the verb is specially having sometimes more than three letters. So that indicates like many things in that one in the each verb. It gives the information of gender. It gives the information of count. It gives the information of first person, second person, third person. It gives the information of one more thing is past tense, present tense, past tense, future tense. All these things comes in the verb itself, unlike the English. That's why Arabic is a comprehensive. If we understand verb, that is, we understand the complete sentence. The depends on the vocabulary. Generally, like this one, it has 4 letters. You see, seen and sheen. The difference is only the dots. Swad and dod, the difference is only the dots. Just I'm adding one more letter here to have dod as a middle letter. Now dod is the middle letter.
Yeah, now it is ba. Seen, sheen, saw, thought, ba.
Okay. I'm adding one letter here is for only to have some better look. Which is this? Now you read all these letters.
Seen, sheen, ta. Saw, zod.
Again, seen, sheen,
Seen, sheen, ta.
not ta. Ta is 2 dots.
Sorry, sorry,
Yeah.
yeah.
Sa.
This is
It
sa.
is sa.
Yes.
Mm.
Sa, sod, dod.
Dod, yeah.
I repeat here. Seen, sa, sheen, sod, dod. Now,
Seen, sheen, no, seen, saw,
hmm,
sheen, saw, dot.
very good. Yeah. Someone can open the mic and tell me the letters, so I will write it here. For your practice only, this one.
Seen,
Seen,
Alif,
alif,
Sa,
sa. Seen, alif, sa.
Sa.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me another word. 2 letter, 3 letter, 4 letter, no problem.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Seen,
Seen,
Ka,
ta,
and not Ka, Ra, Sukar.
again, please. Seen,
Seen, Ka,
2 dots.
Ka, sir. Ka, sir.
Ah, okay.
Ka and Ra.
Ra. Seen, kaf, ra. The second letter we did not study. We are going to study in the coming classes.
No, we have the Ka, right, sir?
Which one?
That is
Ka,
ha.
K-H-A, Ka.
Ha. This one?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Seen, ha, ra. Sakhar.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Seen, Fa,
Fa,
yeah, sir. Fa, Ra,
fa we did not study. We are going to study.
Ah, will not, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, coming classes.
Okay, sir.
Mm.
Sir, can I try?
Yes, please.
Sheen, Zeem,
Not Zim, it is Jim.
sorry, Zeem, then Ha, Ra. Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, from this one, we will get one more word. Sheen, Jim, Ra. Shajar. Shajar means tree. Shajar. Sheen, Jim, Ra. Shajar. It is tree. Plant. tree, shajar. Yes, Ram.
Sheen,
Sheen,
Ra,
Ra,
Ba,
Ba,
Ta,
Sa,
Ta.
Ta.
Yep.
Sharabtu,
Okay.
Sharabta, Sharabti,
Sharbat.
Sharabat. All this
Yep.
comes with the support of vowels.
Okay.
The same word, the same sharab, sharab. This is sharab means drink. It can be
Okay.
anything. Hmm.
Yeah. Sir, in the vowels, so far we have covered only alif, right?
Vowels add on each letter depends on its the word. The vowels comes on the a, e, u, three sounds plus you can say to stop there is a sukun or jazm that stops the sound. Sharab, ba is ending. Actually, sharabun that has to stop with the ba with sukun. Sharab. So shajar, it is shajarun. So these vowels a, e, u, these sounds we are going to study in coming class. Plus its long vowels. Sheen, sha, ra. Ra means long vowel. So how to make long vowel?
Okay.
That also we will study.
Okay.
Sir,
And alif is not a
one
vowel, right?
Sorry?
Alif is not a vowel, right?
Alif is over. The before the
Okay.
first letter we studied in the class is Alif. Alif has two names, Hamza
Okay.
and Alif. When it is coming as the first letter of the word, like A, Ha, Mim, Dal, Ahmad. Here it is a Hamza. It is not Alif. So Alif has two names. Depends on the location and it's we have to go a little bit deep in this one.
Okay. In the coming classes.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Alif usually comes in the middle for two purposes. One is for making the long vowel. Another is to making the plural, part of the plural. This is the basic purpose of the alif. Hamza is as an independent letter. It has the own vowels. It gives the sound of a, e, u. Alif not gives the sound of a, e, u. Alif only extends the long vowel for a and comes as a plural. Yes.
Sir, a doubt. Like if alif starts at the first position, it is called alif, and when it is called hamza.
When the first letter is alif, that is called hamza.
Okay. If it comes in the middle, it is called alif.
In the middle, alif is most of the cases for making the long vowel and the plural, but hamza
Okay.
can also come in the middle. But when
Okay.
hamza comes in the middle, it has another little small like a bird on it, or it has a vowels on it. Alif always alone.
Okay.
You remember this one. Triple A.
Okay.
Alif always alone. It means alif has nothing above it, nothing below it. It's a just straight line. So that is the indication. Like here, sharab. Sharab, alif is coming to make ra as a long vowel.
Yeah.
Sharab. But Ahmad, a sound is coming. When the sound is there, it means it is alif. It's not
Hamza.
hamza. No, sorry. If the
But
sound
when
is
it is
there,
hamza.
when the sound is there, it's coming as a hamza. When the sound is
Okay.
not there, then it is a alif. Like sharab, it has no sound by itself. It is just supporting ra to extend it. Ahmad,
Okay.
it has its own sound of a. Maybe it has a ikhlas. It has a sound of e. Iman, ikhlas. It has a sound of e. So in that cases, hamza is the name is hamza, but it will be having
Okay.
a small sign on it.
Okay. And the top, there is a
Yeah, top or bottom,
small
there
dot
will be
or
some sign. If nothing is there on top or bottom, that is a alif.
alif. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, Hamza comes
Sir,
separate as a single, or it will come only with the alif?
Hamza can come separate also, like this one. This one is a separate.
Like
like this one. Hamza is
I mean,
Hamza can come as a separate letter like this one. I write here Adam. This is Hamza, Alif, Dal, Mim. Adam. You
so
know
it is stretching alif base, stretching Hamza basically.
the Alif is support to stretch the Hamza.
Okay,
But if it is Alif is not there, Adam.
Adam. Then we can
Adam
write alif also, right? Instead of Hamza.
in the first position.
Yeah.
Like this one, it not comes like this position. Um,
Acha.
yeah, it is original Hamza. This is actual original Hamza. The other one which is coming on the above Alif like this one or like this one, this is a not original Hamza. It's taking Alif as a support. It takes Waw as a support. It takes Ya as a support. These things we will study in the coming class. But as of now, as Ram, he asked me about it. Hamza, when it is coming as the first letter of the word, definitely it is Hamza. It's not Alif. Alif can come as a support to extend the letter and to make the plural. But Hamza also can come as the letter in between with the sign. Some sign above or below, you will find some sign.
Okay.
Yeah.
Based on the preceding
So it
letter,
will come
it
on
may
the
change.
top or below of the letter. It won't come
See,
as a standalone letter in middle.
standalone letter in the middle position or in any other position. But in the first position, some printers they don't put the signs as it is a default. They know it is a Hamza. Just they put Alif as a Hamza in the first position. First position only confusing. The middle positions not confuse.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Alaikum salam.
Sir, I have one doubt about this Alif.
Yes.
My name is Arshad Ahmad.
Yeah.
If I want to write Ahmad, Alif, Ha, Mim, Dal, right?
Ha, ha, mim, dal.
So on Alif, there should be like small jazm when we are writing this one, or no need?
As I said, when Alif is coming as the first letter, the printers sometimes they put small Hamza on it. Sometimes they don't put small Hamza on it as a first letter. In both cases, the default is when Alif look like when the Alif Hamza looks like Alif in the first letter, it is definitely Hamza. It's not Alif.
Okay. In any word, if Alif
In any word.
like
The
जैसा
first
कि
letter,
Alif,
like here, A,
yes,
Ka, Ba, Ra. The first
जी,
letter is Hamza here.
yes, जी,
Alif has no sound by itself. You remember this.
okay,
Hamza has
okay,
sound by itself. A, E, U.
okay.
Okay?
जैसा कि can I speak उर्दू?
Yes, please.
अच्छा, जैसा अलिफ हमेशा खाली होता है सर.
That's what I said
जी,
in English. Alif
जी, जी.
always alone. Triple A.
तो यानी कहीं पे भी अगर अलिफ शुरुआत में है तो वो अलिफ नहीं हमजा है, इट मींस.
शुरुआत में प्रिंटर जो क्या करते हैं वहां पे हमजा लिखने की बजाय अलिफ से काम चला लेते हैं क्योंकि फर्स्ट
अच्छा,
पोजीशन डिफॉल्ट है वो हमजा का. अलिफ भी लिखे तो हमजा ही रहता है.
ओके सर, थैंक यू, गॉट इट,
Okay. Hamza
थैंक यू वेरी मच.
never be alone. Hamza never be alone. Hamza
हमजा,
opposite
ओके,
to Alif. Alif always
अलिफ,
alone. Hamza
अलिफ ऑलवेज
never be alone.
बी अलोन, ओके, ओके
Okay.
सर, थैंक यू.
Only in the first position they make confusion. Some printers. Uh, that's the only thing. Yes,
ओके
please.
सर.
Yeah, we have a couple of minutes. If you can practice some more letters, that is better. Some more words. Let us try. Yes, brother. Someone else. Mahesh, you want to try some letters? Naresh?
कैन आई से सर?
Yes, please.
सौद,
Okay.
अलिफ,
Okay, I'm taking the keyboard. So the practice, why I open the keyboard is you can practice it. Sad, Alif,
रॉ,
Ra,
दाल.
Dal.
Okay.
Alif never joins the following letter. Ra never
Yes.
joins the following letter. So that's why there is a gap. It's a single word, but it looks like a with the different the gaps in between.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
please. Yes, Raja, can you have any words, any letters?
Sir,
Maybe
Ra,
Ra, Sad,
Ra, Sad,
and Dad.
Dad.
Sir, actually in English, when we write different words, we will give some space.
Okay.
Here also, it will
Okay.
be
Ra,
like that.
Ra is the one letter. Then
Okay.
Sad is the another letter. Then Dad is the another letter. Right?
Okay.
Now let us join this one and see how the shape changes. This one, when I join with Ra, there not no changes. Now when I join Sad with Dad,
Uh-huh.
it loses its. You see the change. You just observe the change, how it's changing. Instead of going below this curve, it's stretching along with the line to allow the following letter to join it. Right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, one doubt.
Yes, please.
Yeah, here as we are using the keyboard, it is flexible. Suppose if someone is dictating me, if I need to write it without spaces, sometimes it may be confusing, right? I cannot strike the word. If I strike the word, the meaning will be changed. I mean, the shape will be changed. So in that
Yes.
case, how we can manage that?
I'm sorry, I did not get your question.
Yeah, sometimes when someone is dictating, if I need to write the word,
Dictating, yes.
yeah, if I need to write the word, maybe let us assume I have written it wrongly, so
Okay.
I cannot modify it after that, like if I need to join another alphabet next to it. So in those cases, how we can manage that?
Can we try make some letters? Ba,
Yeah, okay, barat, let us see.
Ra. Okay. Bara alif ta.
Okay. um,
Or
okay, let's
okay.
see.
Now you are supposed to write dal, right? Bara
Yeah,
dal.
okay. Yeah,
How to do it? Backspace. You can delete. Then take the correct letter.
yeah. But if you're writing in on paper, how
On
good can we
paper.
manage? Yeah.
On paper, if you do the mistake, then strike it and write again.
Okay. We need to write the full word. Like usually in Telugu, maybe we can just strike off that simple
No, no, no.
single word and we can
No,
continue the
it
rest.
may give confuse. It may confuse it.
Yeah.
Just strike it and write above or below that word. Or if you have the space, you can write in the next position.
Okay. And also overwriting will also be confused, right?
Overwriting also confuses. Better to
Yeah.
Arabic is having peculiar things in the writing.
Yeah.
Simple change may change the letter and the meaning also. So
Yeah. This
better
is what I
to
mean.
strike it and write clearly.
Yeah. Okay. Clear.
Hmm. Yeah, it's 9:30. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, we will close the session and we will meet next Sunday with the four more letters and revision of the previous letters. See, these are the base, the foundation. This foundation must be very strong. So we should not get confused in the letter names. What we are studying is only the letter names. We are not studying the pronunciation of the letter. We are studying the letter names. Unlike in English, if you study the letter A, B, C, D, that itself is the letter name as well as it pronounces the same thing. But in Arabic, what we are learning is like Jim. Jim is the letter name. When you write like Jannah, Jeddah, Jim has to be having the sound of A. Jim has to be having the sound of E. Jim has to be having the sound of U. So in that case, we require the vowels like in Telugu, Gunintalu, in Hindi, this Matra. So these one, after finish the letters, we will study these are called harakat. Harakat means the signs which gives the sound to the letter. These are the signs that gives the sound to the letters. This is for as academic, we study the all harakat. Haraka is the singular letter. Harakat is the plural letter. Plural of the haraka. So all these signs we will study. With that one, we will be able to read the word without any mistake. Like here, we have the letters of this one we studied. This is a dot above it. Which is this letter?
Ka.
Jim.
Kha.
Ka.
The
Ka.
above dot is kha.
Ka.
Then
Oh,
another letter,
Alif. Alif.
Alif.
alif.
Alif.
This letter,
oh,
Ra.
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 This one,
Jim.
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 This is makharij. Makharij means plural of exit. That is exits, articulation points. This one is
Alif.
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 This one we did not study because
La.
it looks like alif, but it joined the following letter. But alif never joins the following letter. So this cannot be alif. This is another letter we will study in the coming class. What
Ha.
about this one? Ha.
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 This one,
Ra.
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 Ah,
These two letters we did not study. We are going to study this one. This is called as al-huruf. Makharij al-huruf. The articulation points of the huruf means alphabets. Huruf, alphabets. Makharij, articulation points. Articulation points of the letters. So alphabets. These are the articulation points of the alphabets. So here it is written as this color is the throat letters. These four letters are the lips letters. These letters are the tongue. This is a tongue. This is a huruf al-halaqi. It means throat letters. Huruf al-shafawi. This is the lips letters. Huruf al-lisani. This is the tongue letters. 18 plus 6 plus 4. Total 28 letters. So these sounds required to understand harakat. Then we are able to we will know about how the letter pronounce in the word.
but in table there are 30 letters, right, sir? We said.
Here these two letters are the same exactly, but in the different shapes. And Hamza and Alif, this if you count as a one letter, it is a 28 letters. If count as a two different letters, it is a 29 letters. This just to fill the space and to give the two different shapes of the last letter. They put both shapes. It can come like this or it can come like this.
Thank you.
Okay.
Sir,
So
can we get a PDF of this one? We can print it if you don't mind.
this table.
Yeah, table or this yes, this book.
This book, it is under development because it's not. I'm adding some
Oh,
things here. So
okay.
after this one, I can share. But this page is available. These pages I can see. This has complete information about Alif, how it comes
Yes.
in different places and shapes, everything. This I can share.
Okay. Okay.
Okay
Thank you.
then. We'll meet.
Also,
Yeah.
also please share the practice sessions of first classes, sir, first and second, so
Okay.
that we'll practice it. Thank you.
Okay. Welcome. We'll see you next week on Sunday. Till that one, good night to everybody.
Thank
Good
you.
night.
Inshallah.
Good night, sir.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Welcome.
Good
Welcome.
night.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.